Good morning, Mandela United. Today is Thursday, December 5th. My name is Luke, and this is United News. There will be a workshop held in Nelson Mandela High School for newcomers. It will be held today from 6 o'clock p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Attention all members of the junior boys and junior girls volleyball teams. Our season wrap-up party will be on Wednesday, December 11th, and lunch in the main gym. Bring a change of clothes to play. Anyone in the Mandela Dance Empire team, there will be a meeting next Wednesday, December 11th at 3:45 in the dance studio. Today, the Mandela Bistro will be serving buttered chicken over bassmati rice. Ooh. Auditions for the Mandela Coffeehouse Talent Show is coming up on Monday, December 9th and Tuesday, December 10th after school. We are looking for students interested in performing their talents. All performers are strongly encouraged to audition for the show. Students who are interested in being the MCs for the show must audition on the audition dates. The Mandela Coffeehouse show will take place on Wednesday, December 18th after school in the music room. Any questions? Speak to Ms. Sinanayaki in the music room. And now a message from Mr. Hall.
Good morning, Mandela. My name is Mr. Hall. Well, you know that, eh? I'm the guy up on the second floor hallway that makes certain that each day you walk by, you're wearing your lanyard. Oh man, that's so much fun watching you guys put your lanyard on as you call that place. But thank you for wearing your lanyard all the time. But I'm not here to talk about lanyard this morning. Have you ever given any thought about getting credits for high school and for college at the same time? Well, you see, at Mandela, we make all efforts to ensure that our students get those amazing opportunities. And this year is no different for the business department. You see, we are able to have a connection with SAIT College, yes, with SAIT, and at the same time, here's what is happening. You're getting 530 level credits and 3 college credits at the same time. Yes, you're wondering, how is that possible? Well, I do have some application forms because starting February of next year, we're going to be having that dual credit program with SAIT here at the school. You see, what has happened in the past is that we've done it for 2 years. Last year, imagine, of the 10 students that were involved in the program, 9 of them actually got the credits. Imagine, and some of those people are grade 10s. I mean, I'm just fascinated by this. Can you imagine that sometimes you think that it's only going to be those 11 and 12s, but grade 10s are involved in this. So here's the deal. If you have any questions about this, or if you're interested in this particular issue, come and see me. You know where to find me at 2104. And by the way, at all times, please, my friends, wear your lanyards. Have yourself a wonderful day.